Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm a certified Notion solution provider, and this is how I started with Notion. So like a lot of you during COVID 2020, I was stuck home just bored and exploring different tools on how to track my life better. And that's where I saw Notion. It's basically a prettier Excel. It allows you to do so many things like create calendars, Kanban, galleries. And slowly I use it to track more of my life, the things I eat, and even my travel itinerary. And slowly I transitioned using Notion from my personal life to my work. That's when I try to track projects, keeping my team members informed on what is going on and updates. Honestly, during that time, Notion is mostly for hobbyists. Like people don't really use it for work as much. Who see the potential of Notion as the future ways of working. I wanted to explore how Notion can serve companies. That's how I started my Notion consulting journey. At the beginning, it was tough. There's a lot of convincing to be done. I have to talk to people on Reddit, do daily posts on Twitter, LinkedIn, and even make YouTube tutorials. I would like to think of it as my formative years where I learned how to do business as well, to just do marketing and then post nerdy things that I like. I remember my first client was actually $50 and I helped him for one whole month. And slowly things got better. Like as the years grow, I got more mature, I have a better idea of how to market, how to serve people. I think Notion is much more accepted as well as a business tool, especially with the new AI tools they are introducing. I'm actually running a consulting agency called Digital Cookie, actually having my own full-time staff and then onboarding new people as well. Where we're building customized Notion solutions for sales CRM, project trackings, company resource page, and lately the new venture that we're trying out is on company budgeting and approvals, which should directly ties to your accounting software, which I believe every company needs it. And it's something even valuable for me to kind of plan out my budgeting. So yeah, if you're someone that is already using Claude, ChatGPT, you're curious about what's the latest frontier of tech, right? And you want to streamline your company operations, you want to deliver a better experience for your clients, then I would like to talk to you. And that's it. My name is Thomas. I'm from Digital Cookie, and thanks for watching.